morning, everyone. Today is 5 a.m. and I wake up 5 a.m. with my grandma and I go to morning walk. And there is a dog in here also, so you can walk or run.
Stay,
And I bring water and pancakes. Today we go morning walk and it's 5 a.m. We wake up to 5 a.m. and now it's shiny. And here's my grandma. Her name is Baker, and I call her Baker. And today is Sunday, and sorry guys, I don't go to church because I need to go morning walk with my grandma. So bye everyone.
Bye-bye.
You also can go morning walk. Bye. Okay, hi. Today is 5 a.m. We go morning time and we are here in Kopseng now and we are very tired. Now we're gonna go home. And I'm gonna drink first water and wipe for myself.
Bye-bye.
Here, my kid.